Hi everybody, my name is Ajay Singh and today I will be talking about one of my favorite topics, electromagnetism. Electromagnetism is essentially the study of interaction in between electrical charges, magnetic moments, and also electromagnetic waves. Magnetism. Before we go deep into the topic, I would like to talk about its history and its evolution. So electromagnetism phenomena was known even in older civilizations. So 5000 BC, people were aware of magnetite stone, which had attractive properties, and even in Greek civilization, people were aware of the property of ember. If it is rubbed against cloth, cotton cloth, it would attract the small bits of straw. Not until early 1800th century, we got to know why it was happening and the mechanism of whole attraction of charges and electromagnetic fields or magnetic fields. So, uh, in 1752, Benjamin Franklin did an experiment to prove that lightning form of electricity. And in 1785, French scientist Coulomb had given a Coulomb law, which is essentially gives us the magnitude of force in between charge. H. Oersted in 1820 had shown through his experiment that magnetic needle moves when the charge is flown to the wire and if a compass is placed near to it. Hence, there was a correlation in between magnetic field as well as the electric field. In 1835, Michael Faraday, through his experiment, had shown that changing magnetic field generates electricity in the circuit. In 1861, J.C. Maxwell had given four of his equations and proved the coupling or the interrelationship or the relationship in between magnetic and electric field. He also gave given theoretical explanation of electromagnetic waves, and not until 1880 when H. Hertz through his experiment proved that electromagnetic waves exist. So he experimented with radio waves, and they oscillate perpendicular to each other, and they move with the speed of light. Further, we had Nikola Tesla, Thomas Edison, and other scientists who had invented a lot of things based upon electromagnetic principles. And we got a lot of devices which had helped humans to improve their quality of life. For example, we got electric grids, we got bulbs, and so on. Uh, Talking about Maxwell equations, so those equations or the equations were working fine till atomic level. However, at the subatomic level, it was failing and it was not working properly. Then series of scientists like Dirac, Feynman, Heisenberg have contributed further to the quantum electrodynamics, which is QED, the field or specific field within electromagnetism that explains electromagnetism at a quantum level. Uh, so further in 1977, three of the scientists got Nobel Prize to give the theory on electroweak force, which is essentially unification of electromagnetism and weak force. So you might be knowing about four fundamental forces in the nature: gravitation force, electromagnetic force, strong force, and weak force. Weak force is responsible for radioactive decay, and strong force is responsible to keep protons together inside the nucleus of the atom, and electromagnetic force we are talking about. So lot of progress has been made in this field, yet scientists are looking for unified theory that would unify the strong force as well as electroweak force. So we will be talking about electric charge, electric potential, and so on in our upcoming lecture. Well, then, thank you very much.